any day, but you can also hear us on the 9th and the 16th of December at carol concerts at 3 o'clock in the church. Everybody's very welcome. They're great ways to celebrate the festive season, so please do come. As Dr. Hayford said, we're always looking for boys in the 3rd and 4th grades, so if you know anyone who likes singing, they don't have to be a genius or even a trained singer at all. We do all of that for them. Please send them our way. We'd love to talk to anyone who's at all interested in coming and joining them. You get to wear one of these scarves. Who can resist that? So we're going to sing 2 more things for you. This is O Come All Ye Faithful, and then at the end we'll sing Jingle Bells.